Hydrocarbons and chemical substances pose a significant environmental risk at both Goonyella Riverside and Broadmeadow mines. Commonly used hydrocarbons include diesel, oils, grease and lubricants, as well as spirits such as paint thinners, kerosene and methylated spirits. The following steps can be used to reduce the potential for hydrocarbon or chemical releases into the environment. Conduct regular maintenance inspections of all plant and field equipment and repair or replace any faulty or worn components. Update standard work procedures to ensure they effectively minimise the potential for a hydrocarbon or chemical spill. Select an appropriate safe location for activities that have a high risk of hydrocarbon or chemical spillage, such as field servicing and refuelling. In the workshop or on the washdown pads, minimise the amounts of hydrocarbons and sediments being washed into the water drains. Report any full or faulty oil-water separators to your supervisor immediately. Remember to carry out the correct clean-up procedure. Control, contain, absorb and dispose of absorbent materials in the hazardous waste bins. Spill kits are located around site to aid in the clean-up of spills. These kits should contain bags of outdoor absorbent. This should be applied directly to the spill until the spilt material is completely covered. If on a paved surface, agitate the absorbent material with a shovel or stiff broom to aid absorption. If on a non-paved surface, mix the absorbent into the spill area until it takes on a dry appearance. Absorbent socks and pillows are used for spill flow prevention. They can be used in gutters, pipes or anywhere to reduce the rate of flow. Absorbent pads can be placed on minor spills to absorb oils or hydrocarbons. They should be placed in the containment bags in the kit or the appropriate disposal bags. A dustpan and brush are provided if required, and gloves are provided for your protection. If items are missing from the spill kits, please notify your supervisor or the environmental team. All contaminated biosorbent materials used in the clean-up should be disposed of in the brown regulated waste bins. Large volumes of contaminated soil or gravel should be collected and transported to the Goonyella Riverside or Broadmeadow Mines land farm and the environment team notified. The environmental team will require the following information: volume of hydrocarbons spilt, an estimation of the amount of contaminated soil removed and taken to the land farm, names of person or persons involved in the spill response in case any additional information is required, time and date of the spill. Timely reporting and clean-up response can prevent serious environmental harm resulting from a hydrocarbon spill. All hydrocarbon and chemical spills must be reported to your supervisors or the Environment Department. Any spill greater than 20 litres or any spill that impacts a watercourse, groundwater, undisturbed land or rehabilitated area must be recorded in first priority prior to the end of the shift during which the spill occurred. If the release is of such a magnitude that it constitutes an emergency, then the standard mine emergency procedure should be followed. Please contact the site FPE coordinator or the environment team if you have any difficulties with reporting environmental incidents on site in FPE. Improper handling of hydrocarbons and chemicals can pose a significant risk to our environment. We ask you all to take your responsibilities seriously and consider the environmental impacts of your actions.